Hello Valencians. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an account on EOS and also how to attach a public key that you may already have generated from Verto. So first step is I'm going to use the bloks.io website, blocks.io. I'm going to log in using scatter. Next thing you need to do is to click on Wallet. Then create account. Then in our case, we're going to pick Advanced. Okay, I have a public key. And I'm going to use the same one for owner and active. I'm going to keep those settings as they are. I'm going to say to transfer the stake to the new account. And I'm going to pick a name. Very good. Okay, that should be it. Success. The account has been created. We're going to be using the same public key for our VDEX node. So we're going to take that and use it on our next step. Thank you. Good day.